Namaste everyone. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a beautiful note. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy for this week, what to do, what not to do according to the tarot. But before I begin this video, let me introduce myself. I'm Ruhia Luwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help people in the domain of health, career, relationship and finances to overcome challenges and to feel their maximum best potential in all the domains. So let's begin what the week has to tell us what to do, what not to do. So to begin with, we have this card that tells us that this is the week where we have to harmonize things. This is a week where you will feel much more better as compared to the last previous weeks. This is also the week to discuss, to negotiate the deals, to fix the deals that have been stagnated in the long past. So this is the week. Try and focus your energy on negotiating, discussing and harmonizing the things. So let your ego be a little down and open your mind and look at the broader picture wherever and in whatever situation you are. As far as the professional life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this week there might be some changes in the professional life, but these changes are going to be for your betterment, because I see that some people may stop doing what they are doing to turn towards something new, or you've stopped a project and you begin a new project. But any sort of change in your professional life is going to be very beneficial for you, because I see that materially it's going to push you up. So do not resist these changes. Try and welcome these changes with a perspective of negotiation and harmony. As far as the finances are concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that some people could be spending their money to find the ideal place for their work or for your living. And this week you will have all the necessary strength to generate the revenues and to attract material abundance in your life, provided if you are really aligned in your thoughts and in your actions. As far as the love life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that in spite of some renewal happening in your love life, there could be some tiffs, some friction. So do not take any important decisions related to your love life this week. Postpone it to sometime later. Try and be in the spirit to harmonize the things and try and really let go of your ego as much as possible this week for your relationships. As far as the health is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that health announces stability. You will find yourself in a much better position physically, psychologically, and I also see a lot of people discussing about their health, their mental health or physical health with your loved ones or a therapist, which will help you to feel better. So don't keep everything inside of you. Try and share your feelings with your loved ones or the trusted ones. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we have this card that tells us, this is one of the best cards by the way in tarot, that tells us that this week we have plenty of opportunities to feel really fulfilled in all domains of our life, provided that we are really aligned. So what we have to do is stay aligned to your true self as much as possible. Try and have a broader perspective on all issues. Try and harmonize things as much as possible, and be in the negotiating mode as far as the professional life, finances are concerned. And this week is going to be a really good week for all of you. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Also share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.